2nd, 2025. Listen there, I gotta go put a humidifier in for a lady in her basement, and she got a condensate pump down there that I'm gonna dump the dehumidifier into the condensate pump, so she doesn't have to empty a bucket every day. I can just set it, and it'll drain into the condensate pump, and the condensate pump will pump out the fluid. I did bring a milk crate with me in case I gotta put the humidifier up on a milk crate so it could drain. Sometimes you have to, sometimes you don't. And I'll just use a washing machine hose. Just cut one end off the washing machine hose and use that to drain into the condensate pump. I've worked for this lady before. I think I put that condensate pump in for us. She had bought this house, some guy had flipped it, and he put a high efficiency wall hung piece of shit combo boiler hot water heater down in the basement, and he was just dumping the condensate on the basement floor. Wasn't even getting rid of it. It was just dumping on the floor. So I think I might have put one of them neutralizers, went through the neutralizer and then into the condensate pump and pumped it for her. Instead of having water all over the basement floor all the time, I put that pump in for her. Flipping slashes. That's all I can say. Some people are just slashers. They don't give a shit. Anyway, we try to get some shots over there. I worked for her before a bunch of times. She had an old doggy, so was trying to attack me. The little shit died. She got a new dog, so let's see what's going on with the dog. The new dog. I think he was like a little French bulldog or something, or kind of a pushed-in face, if I remember right. Yeah, it's got a plug right there. We could probably use that plug. I'm hoping. Alright.
No, I've never plugged it in, so I'm not even.
Your grandson flushing any more toothbrushes down the toilet? No?
Don't jinx me.
What the hell?
Don't jinx me. Huh? Those new ones. Somebody told me about the new plugs. They're hard to get in.
Yeah.
Because they're made that way. That's so that the kids don't. Safety. The kids don't. Unknowingly.
Yeah, but the problem is the adults can't get the plugs in either. Yeah.
Well, that's an issue. That could be an issue.
Well, I got this one up top here. You could always use that one there. I don't know. Let's see.
So now that does have to stay plugged in, right? It'll just stay plugged in all the time.
Yeah, I just have to put a hose on this thing, and yeah, because it just drains into the bucket or it goes out the hose, one of the two.
Yeah.
I did put that pump in and this thing, remember? So it's been working okay. No more water on the floor.
No. Everything's fine.
Unbelievable. Alright. Sister, she's 75. She don't want to retire.
I'm 77. I retired, but
she don't want to retire.
Part-time.
This is tight and that won't leak. I don't think it'll leak. It shouldn't leak. I can just cut the holes to fit, right? And put the thing back. bucket. that will fit in there and be good. I don't think so she gets water down here. Let's cut this on an angle so it can't bottom out. It'll just get stuck in there. That'll be it. There you go. That has to drain into there. Just drain into there and I'll pump it out. Gonna be an old fucker. There I am. No fault. Just, it went in. Alright. So we'll put power. 50%. 45 would be fine. That's what libraries are set at, 45. You're a noisy bitch. That's a noisy one. Wow. That ain't sounding so fucking ain't sounding so good there. Sounding so good, I'll tell you. I shut it off and turned it back on. I think it's defective. Alright, we shut it off and she's gonna get another one. This thing is just... something's wrong with it. It's too noisy. Oh well. It's okay. It's okay.